Road trip, day one.
I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Down for your sanity.
this is the shack.
Hello and welcome. If you follow the channel, you know recently I embarked on a road trip. The purpose of the road trip was I needed to go back, look at some property, get an idea of the area, to better understand the layout, so I could better understand exactly where it is I want to move to. If you follow me, you know I went live there, and that will end up being where I moved to, somewhere in the Tri-City area in Tennessee. Yeah, I finally had enough California. I'm putting my, what do they say? I'm walking the walk and talking the talk. I'm not talking about leaving all this crap here. I'm actually going to do it. And it is going to be at a cost. It is not cheap to move. I need to get the property, and then within the next year, I'll be making my moves little bit by little. Just depends on a few different factors, but that's down the road. So for now, I'm just going to get out maybe 3 to 5 videos, depending on how I do the editing. Just kind of recap of everything I've done. Unfortunately, I forgot the video card for this camera. I was unable to use this one at all, carried around for nothing. Couldn't even take pictures of the area because there were some beautiful areas. I actually wanted to stop take pictures, but I couldn't. So I'm just going to go over the films that I used in my phone and in my GoPro. That's only 2 resources I had to take video. This is just a recap. Day one was not started till late. I had a migraine all day. It literally felt like someone was sitting there just waiting for the moment to push the plunger down and ignite the TNT. My head just felt like it was ready to explode, just pounding. So every time I was walking around, grabbing my clothes, folding them up, putting them in my travel bag, it's like every step is just boom, boom. Oh, it was terrible. Finally, towards the evening, about 4:30, 5 o'clock, it started to lessen. The intensity wasn't so bad, so I thought, at least the sun's going down. I could just cruise at night, cooler. I could be more comfortable, and I needed to get this going. I didn't want to wait another day. So this is a quick recap of day one. Where I ended up was just a little bit before the 10-8 split. If you're going west on the 10 coming from Tucson, you can split off on the 8. 8 will take you into San Diego. The 10 takes you up through Phoenix and everything and into LA or past where I live. So that's where I ended up at a Flying J. That's where I ended up stopping to take a 3 or 4 hour nap. Got up, continued on the next day. So this is a recap of day one. We have officially begun the road trip. I'm in Beaumont. I just left the house a little while ago, stopped, got some cash, got me a quick drink. Actually a shake. So I have something to sip on. Next time I'm gonna check in, I'll check in when we get to the river, get on the other side, and then I know I'm gonna have to get gas. Hopefully I can last till then. Truck is ready, I'm all loaded, I got a bunch of stuff with me, so hopefully I can keep in contact with y'all. Next check-in will be the Colorado River when we get out of Kami, California. I know you can't see me. I'm gonna have to flip on the light. Just about ready to, now you can see me. We're just ready to cross over to get out of communism and into America. We are crossing the River of Freedom. I gotta get up here, pull off. I'm gonna top off, grab me something to drink, and head out. Ooh, I gotta get my exit here. Right there, baby. Ooh, that's still $1 cheaper than California. Sorry about that. Okay, we just topped off. It took $75 at $4.57 on the other side of the river. Out of communism into America, still expensive. Well, we know why. We got that brain dead Joe in the hole in the White House. Say it like it is. So now I hit this roundabout and we're gonna go back, hitting the freeway, heading to Dallas. Nothing more to see for a while, so we'll get back to you in a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit low light, but it's 12:30 at night. I'm at the, I think the third rest area coming in. I don't think it's any more. From here on, it's going to be Phoenix, so yeah, I want to get past Phoenix, so I got about another hour or so. I'll be past Phoenix, and then I'll find a place to take a nap. So that's it on this almost final check-in. It's 2 o'clock, actually 2:08. I am not a flying G. So that's it. I'm gonna lay down and take a nap right here. That's good enough for today. I'm no rush, so no use pushing myself too much. That is it for this quick update. Hope I can figure out how to get all this together. So we will see you on the next one. Be blessed, take back, check, build it for your sanity. Be safe. Enjoy life. We'll see you next video.